Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, student.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm very well, thank you. And I hope that you all in a good condition today. Before we start our lesson today, we will pray first. Wandi, can you help me to lead the prayer, please?
Okay. Before study, let's pray together. Please finish.
Okay, thank you, Wandi. Okay, next I will check your attended first. Based on my screen, there are 16 students, right? Ada 16 orang ya. It means that some student can't join with our lesson today. As we know that now there are pandemic, so don't forget always keep our healthy. Don't forget 2, 3M.
Mencuci tangan,
Pakai masker.
Ya, mencuci tangan, memakai masker, dan
Jaga jarak.
jaga jarak. Gak bosan Ibu ingetin ya, karena teman kalian sekarang banyak yang gak masuk karena sakit. Kalian jangan bosan untuk selalu menerapkan protokol kesehatan yang 3M itu dimanapun, everywhere and every time. Don't forget. And also if you don't, jadi kalau kalian itu tidak ada kepentingan, stay at home. Jangan sampai kalian keluar main dan lain sebagainya. Kalau tidak ada kepentingan, stay at home. Gunakan waktu kalian untuk belajar di rumah. Okay? Keep our healthy, keep spirit, be positive thinking, makan makanan yang bergizi, istirahat yang cukup, dan belajar meskipun daring tetap harus semangat ya.
Ya, Bu.
Okay. For today, have you ever read about text about someone opinion on magazine or newspaper maybe? Yes? Sekar?
Yes,
Have you ever?
I have.
Di mana? Di mana?
Di internet.
Okay. Do you know what the name of text? What the name of text?
Analytical exposition.
Yes, very good. And today we will study about it, analytical exposition. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang analytical exposition. Okay, as I say that today we will study about analytical exposition. I have a text. You can see on the screen this text. Please someone read this text.
Protocol violators COVID-19. COVID-19 health protocol violator should be sanctioned as we know. The number of people infected with the COVID virus is still increasing in our country. But some people still ignore the health protocol by not wearing masks and keeping their distance.
Okay, good. Next, for the second paragraph, want to try?
Firstly, the violator will continue to ignore the health protocol suggested by the government if they aren't sanctioned. By being sanctioned, they will feel deterrent and ashamed to that in the future that will obey the rules given.
Okay, very good, Sekar. Next. Okay, please read the third paragraph.
Secondly, by sanctioning the violators, they will understand responsibility. Not only does it prevent you from being infected by the virus, but adhering to health protocol also keep others safe. We might not feel infected, but at least we prevent bad things by continuing to keep distance and wearing masks. That way, we feel our responsibility to yourself.
Okay, thank you very much. Next, the last paragraph. Want to try? Paragraf terakhir, siapa yang mau mencoba membacanya? Please.
Lastly, giving sentience to the violator will make them more aware of the danger of COVID-19. It is said to WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic, which means that this virus is very dangerous. So it is best to continue to maintain health and avoid COVID-19.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Based on the example, can you tell me the definition of analytical exposition? Okay, Wandi, please.
Menurut Andi, itu adalah suatu teks di mana sang penulis mengeluarkan pemikiran atau pendapat tentang sesuatu hal yang sedang terjadi, Bu.
Okay, very good, Wandi. Other opinion?
Spoken or written text that is intended to persuade the listeners or readers that something is the case.
Okay, very good. About definition of analytical exposition, an analytical exposition text evaluates a topic critically but focus only one side of argument. The argument and point of view in the analytical exposition text have to be supported by fact and relevant information. Social function. Can you tell me how about social function of analytical exposition?
To tell other about something happened.
To tell other about something happen. Okay, good. Maybe other opinion?
To persuade the reader that something is in the case. To persuade the reader that something should or should not be the case.
Okay, very good. Ada lagi? To persuade the audience to look an issue with your perspective. This is a structure of text. Strukturnya untuk analytical exposition itu ada 3. The first, thesis. The second one, series of argument. And the third and the last, conclusion or reiteration. Coba, can you tell me, yang mana itu tesisnya? Di paragraf ini.
First paragraph.
First paragraph, okay, very good. So how about the argument?
The second paragraph.
Second? Just second paragraph?
No.
So how about reiteration? Reiterationnya yang mana?
The health protocol violators should be sanctioned because of the reasons given above.
Okay, very good. Itu ya reiterationnya. For the first paragraph, COVID-19 until this time, itu berarti apa tadi? Thesis. Okay, very good. And firstly, secondly, lastly,
Argument.
and so how about reiteration?
Therefore, the health protocol violator should be sanctioned because of the reason.
Can you show me the sentence with simple present tense?
The number of people infected with the COVID virus.
For task 1, I will share the link on our Google Classroom. You can do task 1. Now I give you 10 minutes. Enough? Okay, time is over. Have you done? Udah selesai?
Sudah, Bu.
Dimulai dari number 1. Who wants to start?
Me. As we all know, cars create pollution and cause a lot of road deaths and other accidents. The answer is electrical.
Okay, very good, Scar. What type of the text above? Jawabannya adalah analytical. Next, we will continue to task 2. Untuk grupnya, Ibu bagi jadi 4 kelompok ya. I give you 15 minutes to do task 2. Is it enough? Oke, silahkan. You can do task 2 start from now. Kalau nggak, bacain aja deh, nggak apa-apa.
I will introduce myself. My name is Sekar from Group 1. The member is me, Anindita, and Eka. The development of the Nusantara vaccine, which was initiated by the former Minister of Health Terawan Agus Putranto, continues. Surprisingly, the development of a vaccine that should be based on scientific principle has become political with the strengthening of support from members of the Indonesian House Representative. In fact, a number of DPR members who had previously been vaccinated with the Sinovac vaccine claim to have volunteered for the Nusantara vaccine. In fact, the vaccine developed by the Gatot Subroto Army Hospital, Dr. Karya di Semarang, and the Diponegoro University have not yet finished their permit due to various problems. Argumen pertamanya, first, the Food and Drug Supervisory Agency atau BPOM found that vaccine products were not made according to the rules. For example, conditions are not sterile, there is no standardization and validation in the test methods, and inconsistent data recording. In addition, 71.4% of the 28 test subjects experienced unwanted events in level 1 and 2.
Okay, very good. Because time is over for our meeting today, just group 1 to do presentation, but for the group 2, 3, and 4, don't forget to upload your task 2 on our Google Classroom. Okay, before we close our lesson today, I will ask you, what are you feel after learning about analytical exposition today? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then, who wants to try to conclude our material today?
So, analytical exposition
Okay, please.
Bertujuan untuk memberitahu pendengar atau pembaca dan berdasarkan fakta di teks analitikal biasanya memiliki 3 bagian, ada tesis, series of argument, dan yang terakhir reiteration, dan biasanya menggunakan simple present tense.
Okay, very good sekali. Yang lain?
Analytical exposition itu teks yang isinya tuh argumen logis dari penulis mengenai sebuah masalah tuh yang perlu diperhatikan. Itu juga bersifat fakta. Terus ya tadi ada 3 struktur, tesis, argumen, sama reiteration. Jadi ini juga penting sih bagi kehidupan.
Okay, very good, Alda. Okay, in the next meeting, we will study about analytical exposition 2. Jadi pertemuan berikutnya kita masih belajar tentang analytical exposition. In the next meeting, I will ask you to make analytical exposition. Okay, maybe enough for today. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for your reiteration. Thanks for your cooperation. Don't forget, as I say, we are in the pandemic today. Jadi jangan lupa untuk selalu menjaga kesehatan, makan makanan yang bergizi, istirahat yang cukup, selalu semangat belajar. Always keep our spirit to study at home. Okay? Who wants to help me to lead the prayer? Siapa yang mau pimpin doa untuk menutup pembelajaran kita hari ini? Alda, can you help me?
Okay, Mom. After study, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Okay, see you next time. Don't forget, always keep your spirit to study at home. See you next week and bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.